Hello hello dear friend, how are you? I think everyone is very well. I bring another trading view indicator. It's so simple and so simple, and you make money. I wish to you good luck with this indicator, and you enjoying your trading journey. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get a more video and make it thumbs up and like and comment. Please don't hesitate to make a comment and thumbs up and subscribe the channel. So if you subscribe, then more people get engagement and enjoying that video, and more people can learn something about indicator. And some people always suffering to get good indicator and worried losing money. If is at least some good indicator can helping them make it easy life for trading industries. This forex industry is very bad and very good. Who do know the trading and make a aggressive buy sell, even don't have a knowledge, then losing all the money. If somebody got some skill how to use it, how can buy and sell and get a training and get a master and take it some mentor and learning nicely professionally, somebody teaching them, then will be coming to different, then will coming definitely coming different. So I glad to thank you everybody watching my video, and I see my video watching is Indian, all my brother and sister, they supporting me a lot, even from Bangladesh people also supporting is a lot. And I glad to thank you United States people also watching my video. I see is a lot of people is supporting from the United States. They like my video, they learning something. I see is increasing my viewers, my subscriber. They love my video because this video got something is unique information, some very nice indicator, trading view indicator what I uploaded with a video to show you this indicator performing very nice. You can think and emerging, ask yourself how is good that indicator. I know my video got some noise, don't worry about this, but look nicely what I am telling, what I am showing, that indicator is working properly and very nice. So now I am take it, I don't take it time too much and don't make it as a lecture too big. So I take it to quickly the indicator. So I am going to I put it in the simple indicator. So I am going to indicator and I'm writing PAL, sorry, PARA. I put it parabolic search. So then you don't forget to put it parabolic search evergrade. Parabolic search evergrade. When I plot it simple, you can find it. There is a writing parabolic search and with a cell indication. Indicate is here sell. Here is indicate is buy. You can see something is different, not other parabolic search. You put it parabolic search evergrade. So you can find it. Here is a buy, writing buy, then parabolic search is starting. Oh, very nice. Then again here is a sell, but that one coming down, then again buy. Here is starting again buy. So you have to careful look after uh, when is market moving is too far, then you can see the parabolic search is working very nice. And trending market also parabolic search is working very nice. Here is a sell coming down, then buy because rejection retracing. So again coming sell move, then this is the impulsive move correction, then again starting sell. So you can see the parabolic search always working. You can buy sell, at least you got a indicator. That indicator direct you to make a trade but not make it too much money. If you want to make it too much money, then you're going to lose quickly. This is my advice. So not rushing, doing slowly, slowly, day by day, going to improve your trading journey. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself with a forex industry, with a trading safely and make money. Thank you very much.